up, y'all? My name is Cecily Simmons. I'm the founder of Operation Fibroid Freedom, an organization dedicated to helping educate women on how to shrink fibroids naturally based on natural methods that I use personally to become 100% fibroid free through all natural means just a few short years ago. And I am excited to have you here for the first edition of my series, SmoothieCriminal, a series where I show you how to make a smoothie recipe that shrinks fibroids and is so delicious that it has got to be a crime. So let's jump right in and get started. Okay, we're not going to do anything too complicated. I'm going to jump right in and show you how you can make a smoothie that is delicious, nutritious, and most importantly, balances the hormones, corrects your estrogen dominance, and shrinks those fibroids. The more you implement getting natural herbal supplements into your lifestyle, into your body through your diet, as well as through a balanced supplement and herbal protocol, the more improved are your chances to shrink uterine fibroids naturally. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it up. I'm just going to pour. I'm eyeballing it today. I'm not being too rigid. What I've started with is just about a cup of organic coconut water. You can also do coconut milk as your base. You could do water. Just don't do dairy. I do not recommend dairy if you're looking to shrink fibroids naturally. I'm going to go ahead and drop in what I would like to say is about, and again, we're eyeballing it. We're very loose with our measurements. These are blueberries. They're already frozen, which makes it a lot more fun and lends itself to a better texture for your smoothie. So we're going to drop those in. Blueberries. I've already frozen half a banana, if you can see that. So here's my banana going in. It's this easy. This is a very, very simple trick that you can implement with activating your body's natural abilities to correct itself and balance the hormones and start shrinking uterine fibroids by getting more cruciferous vegetables into your diet. This is watercress. And it's a really simple trick to bump up your nutrition, bump up the capabilities to shrink fibroids, and basically make the smoothie do what it do by adding a cruciferous vegetable, some dark leafy greens into your smoothie. It doesn't really alter the flavor to where it is not palatable or not delicious. And actually, to me, the more I know that I have these dark leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables working for me, going to work with the enzymes, minerals, and vitamins they bring to the table, all bioavailable in my body when I take them in. It makes it taste even more delicious. So we added our watercress. Watercress is a cruciferous vegetable, so is broccoli, so is cabbage, arugula. You could experiment with any of those. And there are more. There's also bok choy. I could go on and on and on. I'm not sure you really want to add bok choy to a smoothie, although I do have a juice recipe up where you may want to check that one out, because that is like a karate chop to uterine fibroids with that bok choy. It's so potent with the enzymes and minerals. So now what I have here is some soursop. There you go. It looks like that. And soursop is a tropical fruit. I'm going to dump that in. It comes from the Caribbean, so if you're looking for frozen soursop pulp, I do recommend that you check out your local Caribbean grocer to see if they have any frozen soursop, or you can buy soursop, or guanabana. Guanabana is the other name. You can find it and then just peel it yourself and put it in your freezer, de-seed it, of course, then freeze it, and then add it to your smoothie that way. One of my other secret weapons, great for balancing your hormones, very nutritious, antiviral, antibacterial. I'm going to drop in a spoonful of coconut oil, and I'm probably going to have to just drop that in. Right? It's so good for you. Also helps to keep our blood sugar balanced. Helps to correct insulin resistance. Coconut oil, which is going to also in turn help the body's natural ability to reset and get those hormones balanced. And the more your insulin and your other hormones in the endocrine system are balanced, the more you're cutting off the food supply to the uterine fibroids. Lastly, I'm putting in a spoonful of turmeric, which is amazing. It has great anti-tumor properties. It's also antiviral. Another amazing property benefit of turmeric is that it is anti-inflammatory. It stops the inflammation in the body. Tumor growth is directly related to inflammation in the body as well, so it kind of approaches natural fibroid elimination from the inflammation umbrella. And so we're blending. I hope you can hear me because I'm turning it up. Look at that glass of delicious nutritiousness, fibroid shrinking awesomeness. So here we have our delicious blueberry, watercress, banana, soursop smoothie. It's really delicious. Oh, and I didn't mention that I did add about a squeeze of fresh squeezed lemon to the recipe before we got started. So you may want to experiment with that. I'm hosting a green smoothie and green juice detox cleanse. It will be offered for 30 days. I will be leading that as your instructor. We will be making weekly smoothies and weekly juice recipes that detox and shrink fibroids naturally, get your hormones balanced, and lower your waistline. We will be doing that together. It is $99. If you're interested in that, head on over to my Instagram, which is at OP Fibroid Freedom. You can also go to the Facebook. It's facebook.com/Fibroid Freedom to get more info for the link to sign up for that. I also would like to extend an invite for you to join my free private Facebook group that is already established. It's called the Off Balance Challenge. It's on Facebook. It's got like-minded women that are all on the road to natural fibroid elimination and natural hormone balance and natural womb wellness. You can join us there. Discussions that I give on a weekly basis, or any fibroid shrinking info that I post there on a weekly basis. And lastly, to sign up on my email list, I am always available for one-on-one consultations to discuss your fibroid shrinking concerns, as well as offer you herbal advice on any supplements or an herbal protocol to help you build your own natural fibroid shrinking regimen and hormone balancing regimen or fertility regimen. Whatever or however it applies to you, I can tailor the information based on your own personal experience by you securing a personal one-on-one phone fibroid call with me through my calendar. And we can get that set up and get you squared away, get a game plan going for you to help you achieve fibroid freedom 100% naturally. I hope this edition of SmoothieCriminal was informative, exciting, and fun, and I hope to see you back for the next episode very soon. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. My name is Cecily. Bye.